This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to this issue 30 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is the quick build episode. All we're doing is popping that hub into the wheel like that, holding it in place with 3 screws. 1, 2, and a third one, like that. And that is that. We're putting this aside until we get the rest of the wheel, no doubt next issue. But this is the end of today's delivery. So I'll put this all aside for another month until the new pack arrives. But of course, we're going to have a look at the magazine. But before we do that, I'll put the hubcap thing away later as well. Before we do that, this delivery came with 2 free gifts. One fairly standard part work free gift, and one fairly standard part work free gift that's a bit strange. First of all, we've got the license plate. This is, I believe, the one from Eleanor herself, although for some reason it says Lynn on it. It's not one of the iconic license plates that I'm aware of from films. I'm sure it's correct. It's a tin plate. It's what it is. It's not even quite square. But I would not have assumed that LYN 274 stands out in movie history. I'm sure it does. If you love the film, I'm sure you're aware of it. But it's not one that jumped out at me. It's not like Out of Time or Ecto 1, is it? It's not quite the same geekiness. Maybe it's more geekiness. I don't know. But say fairly standard to get a license plate for a car. That's not the strange thing. The other strange thing is the mug. Now, getting a mug is again fairly standard part work fare. As you can see, I've got Fast and Furious and the all manner of them come with a mug. This is a different mug, and it comes with power. I don't remember. There's no instructions with it. I think it's a heated mug. That's the only reason I can think of it having power. You've got a jack there that you would plug that into. It only comes with the car charger option. So I, in theory, can go and test it, but I'm not going to. There's no moving parts. So it's not like a self-stirring one or anything. It's just, there's definitely no fans or anything inside there. But it's a nice insulated mug, bigger than the normal one. Normally you get the China ones that are just printed. It's nice to have something a little bit different. So this is the traditional travel mug that you can lock in place, and it will keep your drink warm, even warmer if you plug it in to your car. But it's got the Gone in 60 Seconds, lock your car or it may be gone in 60 seconds, as well as the Eleanor. Is that the original tagline? I don't know. But, yeah, it's nice. It's very unusual. It's obviously small at the bottom, so it fits in your cup holder. It's designed for cars, which, being that it's a car-themed build, it's not really surprising. But that is pleasant. I might even use it. You never know. Normally I keep screws and stuff in these, but it's not exactly the same style, so it won't fit in with the rest of them. But that is that. Let me clear the bench out, bring in the magazine, and we'll have a look at the information provided in this delivery. So here we have magazine number 8 from the build, the 1967 Mustang Eleanor, and gone in 60 seconds. In here we have step-by-step assembly guides, Eleanor, from the universe, cars with girls' names, and classic Mustangs, as ever on all of these. So we've already seen, and indeed you've watched me build all of these bits. So we'll get that out of the way. Then we'll have a look, starring Eleanor, the story behind the name. Why was it called Eleanor? Interesting, you can read all about that. Movie Secrets, Part 1. Secrets, you can't read them, don't read about these, they're secrets. So you can read, just don't tell anyone. Right, the girls with cars' names, the cars with women's names. Ashley, the Cobra. Quite a nice looking, old style, but nice looking car. Angelina, what was that, a Ferrari? That's a nice looking new car. Yeah, I'll go with that. Happily drive one of those around. All good stuff. There we have it. And looking at the 68 California Special Mustang. Cool. Good stuff. All right, next time, yes, we get the tyre to put onto that. What have we got? It looks like the mudguard type thing. The other suspension and the other disc brake. So duplicates, but something a little bit different. That's all you can really hope for, isn't it? Something a bit different and something new and something old. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more part works happening before this comes back again in about a month. Other than that, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.